Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and welcome to my channel Beautification. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful keyring holder from ice cream stick and pizza plastic table. These are the requirements that you're going to be needing to make this beautiful keyring stand. Make a note of it and let's get started. I'm using ice cream stick, or we also call it popsicle sticks. They are easily available in all the craft shop and they are also available online. If you want to see where you can buy them, you can just comment down below and I will link down below all the links where you can easily buy these ice cream stick. I'm using total 26 stick, so 21 in the main stand and 4 in the back to fix all of the 21 stick in one place. I'm using glue gun here because it's very easy to fix all the ice cream stick, like, and it's very easy. It sticks wood very fast. You can also use Fevicol or any white glue here, but you have to wait for it to dry. It will work, but you have to wait a long time for it to dry. I just prefer glue gun because it gets really, the work gets done like in seconds, so I really like it. So once everything is fixed back there, I would really suggest you guys, I made a mistake here by applying the lace in the before putting down the paint, but I would really suggest you to first do all the paints, if you want to paint it or if you want to color it. I first, when I was making it, I didn't thought of adding colors to it or adding paint, any kind of paint to it, so I didn't I was just thinking of using it like it was, like the ice cream stick it was. I didn't want it to add any color paint, but after I added the decorative stone lace, I thought that I should add any color. So if you want to add any color like I did, and I would really suggest you to add, because it really gives a pop of color to your keyring holder. So just make sure that before applying any kind of decoration, you first use like all the colors that you want to in your keyring holder, and then start with the decoration. First let all the colors dry and then start with the decoration. This is my one suggestion from my mistake. So I'm just using one cotton pad that is easily available and just dipping it in the acrylic colors and just dabbing it down. It's very easy. You don't have to use any kind of technique. You can paint it if you want it not to be in the dabbing form, just like I did. It was very easy for me to just take the paint and just dab it, so it's very easy for you as well, because you don't need any technique for that. You just have to take the paint and just like dab it all around the keyring holder, whichever you are making. You can paint it or you can just spray paint it, or anything that you want to do. It's up to you how you want to decorate it. If you can keep it like that as well, it's good as that as well. Also, I will really suggest you can just decorate it as much as you want. So now the next and the most important thing is to use the pizza plastic. I don't know what you call it. I've really searched in all the, I've searched on the Google. It says plastic table or pizza stool or pizza stand, but it is that it has come with every pizza to, I think so, to hold the cardboard box to slash all the pizza and all the toppings. So this is which saves the pizza. It's a pizza saver. So I've just saved it from my last pizza party, and it's easy. If you order the pizza, you will get it free. So you generally throw it away. This time don't throw it away, and you make a very useful keyring holder out of it. I've just placed it in a place that I really want it to be, and I'm just used glue gun. I would really suggest you to use glue gun or any silicone based gum, because Fevicol will not work here, or any kind of glue will not work here. Only silicone based or like hot glue gun will work here. So I would really suggest you to use that here. And here I'm just using, you can paint keys if you want. You can leave the step like you, it's up to you if you want to put keys letter there or not. I have this foam glitter cut out, so I just use that. You can also trace the letter and cut out if you don't have the letters cut out, and just using feathers to add extra touch. This is also optional. You can just leave it like that. You can add any different kind of decoration. You can add any picture if you want. You can add a family picture or your picture or any kind of picture that you want. So it's up to you how you want to decorate it. And once you're satisfied with all of your decoration, you really need hanging. I would really suggest you to use two kind of hanging. If the keyring holder is small, you can use one metal ring, and if the keyring holder is really long, I would suggest you to use more ring, because it would distribute the weight of the rings equally, and it will not fall down, it will not give any extra burden to the keyring holder. So this is what I'm suggesting. And also I would really suggest you use metal ring here because it really needs to be sturdy. And this is it, guys. This is it how I made. This is very simple, and this is it how I'm hanging it. So guys, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome video. Also don't forget to hit bell icon. Take care.